But you're going to hold up your answer to each one. I'm going to pose a few ethical situations, and we'll see how we fare on them, and we'll discuss the ones that are interesting.
I'm proctoring an exam, so I'm kind of walking around. I see two at the bottom right corner that are talking to each other for a fraction of a second. Is that like evidence of cheating?
That's a good question. So let's, for that example, what color would you pick?
I mean, I'm ignoring not because I don't think it's good not to go against cheating, but because I'm not sure. You know.
Is it ignoring if you go over and say something to them, or is it ignoring if you refuse to report it?
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So I might not report that, but I would at least go over and acknowledge, say like, "What are you guys doing? What are you talking about?"
I do the same. Yeah.
Cheating is an important topic for us, and forms of cheating, and how to detect that, and then what to do. Some students feel like, well, if they didn't see it or if they're uncomfortable or unsure, they shouldn't report it, but you're really supposed to report every incident of cheating. So we talk about different ways in which people can cheat, and of course the ways in which people can cheat nowadays is becoming more complex with the use of technology and more instructors using technology.
So like going to have coffee after a class technically would qualify for this, I guess.
You know, there are some circumstances that would be inappropriate, and some circumstances make it perfectly appropriate. You know, and really, it seems like it extends, whatever ethics are in the class extend to the outside of the class. So as long as the power differential is respected and all that stuff.
We talk about teacher-student relationships, things like that. That's about it. What to do with a problem student in the class or in the office and things like that, and certain boundaries that you can or cannot cross.
I think if I'm a faculty member and a grad student is either like crying or something, or like, hey, thank you so much or whatever, but if they initiate something like that, and if it's purely non-sexual, I think, then it's appropriate, right? It also depends on how you hug them too. You have to do the kind of A-frame hug, right? Where it's a lot of distance, things like that. I think those types of hugs are okay. I think other types of things are more inappropriate.
That's one of the more interesting days in terms of class discussion, because students really want to know what they're supposed to do.